Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 12 mind-blowing facts that are so unbelievable your brain might actually refuse to believe them. From animals with superpowers to natural phenomena that defy logic, we've got it all. Make sure you watch until the end because some of these facts will leave you completely shocked. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Did you know that there's a species of jellyfish that is essentially immortal? The Turritopsis dohrnii, often called the immortal jellyfish, can revert its cells back to an earlier stage of life whenever it's injured or sick. This means, in theory, it can live forever unless it's eaten by a predator. Scientists are studying it to understand aging and potential applications for human medicine. Just imagine living forever like that. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real. Fact 2. Fact number 2, bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Botanically speaking, a berry is a fruit produced from a single ovary containing seeds inside. Bananas fit this description perfectly, while strawberries don't because their seeds are on the outside. So next time you make a fruit salad, remember bananas are the real berries and strawberries are just pretending. Fact 3. Fact number 3, there's a place on Earth where it literally rains fish. In Honduras, a phenomenon called lluvia de peces happens every year during heavy rainstorms. Scientists believe the fish are picked up by waterspouts or strong winds from nearby rivers and then dropped over the town. Can you imagine walking outside and suddenly tiny fish falling from the sky? It's a tradition there, and people even collect the fish. It's crazy, but real. Fact 4. Fact number 4. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills to collect oxygen, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Their blood is blue because it uses copper-based hemocyanin instead of iron-based hemoglobin. But that's not all. Octopuses are incredibly smart and can solve puzzles, open jars, and even use tools. Truly one of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. Fact 5. Fact number 5, wombat poop is cube-shaped. This unique shape helps the poop stay in place and mark their territory without rolling away. Scientists discovered that their intestines have a very elastic structure that naturally forms cubes as the poop moves through. It's both hilarious and amazing, a perfect example of nature's weird creativity. Fact 6. Fact number 6, there's a lake in Australia that turns bright pink. Lake Hillier gets its stunning pink color from a type of algae that produces a red pigment. The effect is so striking that even from above, it looks like a giant bubblegum lake. Scientists are still studying the exact mechanisms, but the pink color remains even when the water is taken out of the lake. Truly a surreal natural wonder. Fact 7. Fact number 7, you can fit all the planets in our solar system between Earth and the Moon. The average distance from Earth to the Moon is about 384,000 kilometers, while all the planets lined up only take up about 305,000 kilometers. This really puts the scale of our solar system into perspective and shows just how vast outer space really is. Next time you look at the night sky, think about how many invisible wonders are out there. Fact 8. Fact number 8, sharks existed before trees. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years, surviving multiple mass extinctions, while the first trees appeared only about 350 million years ago. These ancient predators have evolved to adapt perfectly to their environment, making them some of the most resilient creatures on the planet. Fact 9. Fact number 9, sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. While dolphins can hold their breath for around 10 minutes, sloths can slow their heart rate and hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater. They do this to survive flooding in their natural rainforest habitats. Who knew slow and lazy could be so efficient? Fact 10. Fact number 10, there's a species of mushroom that glows in the dark. Known as bioluminescent mushrooms, these mushrooms emit a natural green light at night, creating magical glowing forests. Scientists believe this glow helps attract insects to spread their spores. Imagine walking through a forest that looks like it belongs in a fantasy movie. It's real. Fact 11. Fact number 11, honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Honey's natural composition makes it resistant to bacteria and microbes. That means your jar of honey could technically last forever if you never eat it. Fact 12. Fact number 12, water can both boil and freeze at the same time. This happens at a condition called the triple point, where temperature and pressure allow solid, liquid, and gas phases to exist simultaneously. It's a mind-boggling phenomenon that reminds us just how strange and amazing physics can be.